Welcome to Introduction to Log Alerts. My name is Marie and I'm with Sumo Learn. In Sumo, you can base alerts on log data or on metrics. This video is about log alerts and how to create them. If you're already familiar with Sumo alert types and configuration, you might want to jump to our Creating Meaningful Log Alerts video. It talks about how to design alerts that notify you appropriately but not excessively. But if you're new to Sumo alerting, you're in the right place. A log alert is a notification or action that's triggered when a condition that you have defined is detected in your log data. For example, you might want to be notified when there's an increased volume of errors of a particular type or a particular string appears in your logs. When an alert is triggered, Sumo can perform one of several options or notifications, like sending an email or running a script that you've written. So as you can see, I've jumped over to a log search tab. That's because the first step in creating an alert is building a log query that returns results that you want to alert upon. Here's a query I've already built. It looks at 404 errors in the context of successful requests and uses the outlier operator to take recent history into account. If you're interested in using a query like this, the video I mentioned previously, Creating Meaningful Log Alerts, goes through it in more detail. So to build an alert based on this query, we need to schedule the search. I'll click Save As, name it, enter a description. I need to choose how often or the range for the query. I'll choose last 60 minutes and I'll save this to my log alerts folder. Now I'll click Schedule this search. The first option governs how frequently your search will run. You can choose anywhere from real-time to weekly. I'll choose hourly. So SendNet notification is the next important option. It governs how often you'll be, when you'll be notified as a result of the search running. If I were to choose every time a search is complete, the action will occur every time the search runs, regardless of results. If instead, like I'm going to do, if you choose if the following condition is met, the action will occur based on the number of results returned by my scheduled search. I want my alert action to occur every time my query returns one or more results. So for alert condition, I'll choose greater than equal to, and for number of results, I'll enter 1. Now, I'm configuring an email alert. Alternatively, you could do a script action, which the Sumo will kick off a script that you've written, for instance, to process your search results or restart a server. ServiceNow connection will result in the search results being uploaded to ServiceNow. And a webhook alert posts a message to a particular URL, like a Slack channel or to another third-party system. And finally, Save to Index saves the search results to an index so you can search it later with increased search performance. I'm going to stick with email. I need to enter at least one email recipient. And note that you can customize the email subject line using any text you like and the variables that appear in this help pop-up. I'll just go with the default. And finally, I have a little bit of control about what appears in the alert email. I generally toggle off the histogram. So, the deed is done. I've scheduled my search. So let's just assume that some time has gone by and my search is run. I'll check my email, and lo and behold, I have a notification. The table kind of summarizes the nature of the search and the frequency and how we've configured the alert. And down below we see the result set. So let's jump back to Sumo. Perhaps after this has been running for a while, you might want to tweak it. If you want to navigate to the Save Search in the left pane, click this triple dot menu, a bunch of options here. If you'd like to make some changes, just click Edit. You can change anything about the scheduled search or the alert, except for the alert type itself. So you have hereby been introduced to Sumo log alerts. I hope you found this useful. I appreciate you listening, and I would encourage you to get more information about Sumo alerting. You can go to our Learn tab and click Docs to go to our help site. Thanks again.